Hey, it's just Sam here from Sensational. As you can see, I have a lovely guest, my friend Piera, our nail expert. And as you can tell by our looks, this is just our regular, everyday tutorial makeup, attire. I'm only kidding. It is our Halloween look, so it's a really fun time. What do you like about Halloween, Piera?
I like to go kind of like mad with the hair. So like last Halloween, I did like a big poison ivy red wig with like the horns and the ivy stuck in it.
Wow, you're gonna have to show me photos of that.
It was a very hot glue gun. I burnt myself.
Note to self, keep hot glue gun away from Piera.
Yes.
On other news, we are actually doing 3 different looks today. So I'm actually wearing 2 looks on both my hands, 1 look and 1 look. And then on Piera, we're gonna do the 3rd look. Let us know what kind of Halloween looks, what inspires you about Halloween, and make sure to hashtag Sensationals. But as always, make sure to give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and that bell notification button. Ga-ching! Right, so we are going to start off with the first look, and the colours that we're going for are
Midnight Rendezvous and Over the Rainbow.
Just as a kind of pointer, we have already done our prep work, so go and check out the link down below. There was a really good video on an in-depth how to prep properly and like a pro, as well as we have used today, what are they called, the things that we've used as to put over the nails? They're called
Peel off nail shields.
Yeah, so they're peel-off nail shields. We used them in a previous video. They're really good to kind of a base in between the nail and the gel. Super easy to kind of take off and go onto a new color, and they last really well. So that has been something that we've already done. Let's get onto the look, shall we?
So we're gonna apply our first coat of Midnight Rendezvous. If you want to know how to paint like a pro, you can check out our video on that too.
I love getting my nails done. I mean, I love doing my nails because it gives you something, you just find like you've achieved something, because it can be, it's work, spending any time on yourself, whether it's facially, whether it's makeup, nails, it always gives you a really good feeling because you've invested time in yourself.
I think as well, once you've perfected something and you really like it, whether it's with hair or makeup or nails, you feel really proud of yourself.
Yeah.
And you want to show it off.
Yeah, 100%.
Especially when people ask you about it.
As always, make sure you cap your nails, and if you do any whoopsies, it's okay. I like the idea of nail shields purely because I'm constantly changing my mind with what colours I want to go for. I'm quite a busy woman, so a lot of the time if I'm working in office, I like neutral colours and nothing quite poppy. But then on the weekends, and also if I do have an event or somewhere special to go to, I want to kind of go more all out there. So nail shields are really good because they don't damage your nails, you don't have to use any acetone. And I have actually used them where I've had them on for just over a week, and then I kind of peel them away, and it's super easy, doesn't take off any of your nail, and it's brilliant. I love it.
So we're gonna cure that for 30 seconds. So we wanted to do something a little bit Halloween-y inspired, but also something that was still quite classy and wearable. So we didn't want to go too crazy with loads of like blood or like pumpkins or really sort of wild and out there, but something that was a bit Halloween-y, that you could still feel in the season, but not too sort of in your face.
Okay.
So this one is just going to be a black with a hint of glitter.
Okay.
So you're keeping it classy, you can still wear it, before and after the Halloween season, and it'll still look great.
So now we're doing...
It's time to add the glitz. So we're going in with Over the Rainbow, and this is a beautiful hollow glitter. I'm really excited to show you this colour.
I like that. Where did that come from? Okay, guys. Not only can she do nails like an expert, and she is our expert, she can also give
do
us
a little
some...
sing song.
Yeah.
Okay, So
Some harmony, I was going to say, but okay.
Some harmony. So what we're going to go for is we're going to do a little bit of an ombre on your little finger, your middle finger and your index finger, and then we're going to go full coverage on your ring finger. So I've just got a little bit of polish, as you can see on the brush, like it's not it's not dripping or anything, it's just a small bit of polish, and we're going to add that to the nails now. This looks amazing over black. It's literally my favourite over a black. It's just so galaxy cool.
I really like that. It takes the black to a whole different level. I mean, you've done the black perfectly.
This is like black XO. This is like,
ooh,
bam.
Yeah.
So we're going to
like
go a bit thicker on the ring, and we're going to add a couple of coats on the ring finger. We're going to cure that one.
So after we've applied all the glitter, we're just going to cure it for the whole time. Yep, so 30 seconds, guys. Slightly more on the concentrated on the tip on the index finger, which is really nice.
So it should go from quite glitzy to more sparse glitz, closer to the cuticle.
Please tell me, I need to know, have you ever tried the 100-layer coat type thing, that trend that was going on? I think it was
that
2 years ago.
That makes me feel gross.
What?
It just looks so lumpy, and it just looks massive and just icky. It just, oh no.
See, I would, just for the sake of, I don't know, I'd love to. I know, maybe I'm just weird, but...
You are.
Yeah, am I? Oh,
Yeah.
okay, there you go, guys. Please comment down below if you think so too.
So
I'm really liking the look of these.
So
wow.
I've done some more glitz on the tips, and I think that the ring finger is glittery enough, so I haven't applied any more on there, just because I think it's looking nice already. So we're going to go ahead and cure that for another 30 seconds.
And that's how you do it, guys. So now we're going to go ahead and use our clear, transparent topped coat.
Yep, we've blitzed the thumb up, and we're ready for the finishing touches to seal all that in and get your Halloween ready, so you know you can claw your way out of the grave.
Right, so obviously apply that, a nice good coat, and then cure that for 15 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and cleanse, which is our last step. So this is the look that we've gone for the first look, and what do you think?
I love it. It's very nice, it's very classy. I think that as well as like a Halloween kind of themed look, you could even wear this at New Year, you could wear it for a party. It's just really versatile. You know, black goes with everything. Who doesn't love a bit of glitz? So yes for Halloween, yes for New Year, yes for party time. It's just a yes.
Yeah. So let's go on to the second look. I still have no idea what the second look is, but it sounds like it's going to be a bit scarier. Ooh. Right, so this is our second look, and what colours are we using?
We are using Sugar Plum, and we are using Nude Mood. Lovely nude and red combo. Very classy, like Sam again.
Oh,
classy self.
All the compliments are coming in today. Keep it coming.
We've applied Sugar Plum to those 3 nails, and we're going to go ahead and apply Nude Mood to the ring finger.
Oh wow, I love that nude. Because every nude I have at the moment at home is like a pinky nude.
Yeah.
And this nude, I'm all about that nude.
So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cure that for 30 seconds.
Right guys, now cure it for 30 seconds. And what's the thumb going to be like? What colour?
The thumb, I think we're going to match the thumb with the ring finger. So that's going to be nude. But we've got a little design to go on the ring and the thumb to make it a little more Halloween-y.
Cool. So as you can see, we have 2 coats on each nail with our selected colours. And now this is the surprise part where I have no idea where we're going with. So take it away.
Okay, so The look that we're going for is kind of like a little bit of a dripped in blurred kind of red to nude ombre on there. So we are going to use our sugar plum.
Am I going to have to dip my fingers in anything?
On the other nails. No, no dipping.
No dipping.
So you're all good. No dipping, just brushing. So because we want it to look like quite a sort of delicate graduation, we're only going to use a very small amount of polish just on the end for now, and we're going to build this up. So I'm just going to apply this sort of roughly like that. Doesn't have to be super neat because we are going to blend this out. Nail art brush like this, and we're going to take it and we're just going to sort of drag this.
If you need any extra tools to do your designs, you can go and find them on the Sensational website. There are some really amazing tools online on our website, so we will just put a link down in the description bar below and you can go and check those out. Wow, that literally looks like I'm bleeding.
So we're going to go in on the end and we're going to add a little bit more of the red. Don't forget to cap that as well. Seal it all in.
Very important, 100%. Makes your nails last longer and stops it from chipping.
Exactly. So we're going to drag that up again just to intensify it. And you want to make sure you get in on the edges as well and fill in any gaps. And if that's a little bit too see-through and not quite opaque enough, we'll add a little bit more red just at the tip. So we're just going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. So that's the finished look, and we're just going to go ahead and seal this all in with our top coat now.
And once you are done with that, cure that for 15 seconds. And then once this is done, we can go on to our third and final look, which our nail expert is going to show us.
Yeah.
It's going to be a ball.
It's going to be purple.
So finally but not least, we are going to go ahead and cleanse our nails with our gel cleanser and our gel cleansing pad. And this is our look. As you can see, I've done my thumb already. Well, I haven't done my thumb. Piera, our nail expert, has done the thumb. So we are on to our third look. And what colour are we using?
We are going to be using Iron Mama, which is so pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see it. It's really exciting. And we're going to be using some glitters as well.
And you can find all of these on the Sensational website, which will be in the description below. So we're going to apply several layers of this polish until we've got the desired colour, and then obviously we're going to cap our nails, get rid of any whoopsies and cure that. I quite like the one where you were blindfolded because you couldn't judge my work, seeing as you are an expert.
I'm looking at it thinking, oh my god, this is the worst painting I've ever seen.
I've got better actually, I would say.
It's definitely not the worst painting I've ever seen.
She said not the worst. Are you kidding me? I think it's pretty damn good, you know, if I do say so myself. Make sure, as always, to cap your nails because, you know, it's kind of a no-brainer. Make your nails last longer, stop them from chipping. And can I just mention, because somebody might think it, and let's just remove the, what's the expression? The, not cat out the bag.
Elephant in the room.
The elephant in the room.
Okay.
As you can tell, my voice is kind of, as the video goes on, going a little bit. I have had a bit of a cold. I thought I was over it. I am feeling very well actually, but I think my voice is kind of saying, ooh, you need to rest your voice, which doesn't surprise me because I do talk a lot, and it's very hard to shut me up, to say the least. So we've done several coats of our Iron Mama, and now we're going to go on to our glitter puffers. So obviously keep in mind to use maybe a towel that you don't mind getting a little bit dirty, because it can get a bit messy, but let's do this. This is going to be fun. We're using just a coaster that we don't care for. It's just a bit of an old coaster, and we're just going to puff a bit of glitter out carefully. There we go, we've got our little bit of glitter, and put the glitters to a side before an accident happens.
The puffers come in lots of different colours, so we've got gold, silver, violet, red, green, so you can really pick any of the glitters and just sort of go crazy. I think any of them would look nice with this look. I think because it's a purple, a green would look really nice.
Yeah.
But we've gone pretty neutral with our silver and our gold, but still really lovely.
And obviously I'm just applying it straight onto the nail, as it should be slightly tacky due to not cleansing it and all that, because after this we're going to actually put a clear coat of top coat and then cure that and cleanse it. So now we're going to go ahead and do a layer of top coat and then cure that for 15 seconds.
An important thing to remember, especially when you're using loose glitter or if you're using dark and light polishes together, is when you're doing the glittery nail, once you've applied a layer of top coat, you want to wipe that brush off on a clean lint-free pad to get rid of any glitter from your brush and avoid that contaminating your base and top coat.
And now cure. So now we're going to go ahead and cleanse our nails with the gel cleanser. And voila! Here you have the marvellous gorgeousness. So this is our final look of our 3 different looks. Let us know in the comments what your plans are for Halloween, whether you are a big celebrating person for Halloween or whether you are too scared maybe to do Halloween and go on like trick or treat. I mean, my plans are probably going to be to run about and get some sweeties and maybe probably nick some sweeties from my 2 little boys and be like, oh, I haven't seen anything. But also I have got a bonus for you all. We have been able to kind of bag you up 15% discount in the checkout section. So all you have to write in is Sam Nails. Go and make sure you do that and check out our other videos because it might give you some inspiration, and make sure to hashtag Sensationales on social media. But what are your thoughts on Halloween and your plans for the rest of Halloween period?
I am definitely going to carve a pumpkin, and I'm definitely going to eat some sweets too.
And I probably won't carve any pumpkins. I know my mum will be carving pumpkins with the kids, but I'll probably stay very far away from them because I don't like the feeling of them. But is there any special care for pumpkin carving with your nice, beautiful Halloween nails?
Wear gloves, and try not to accidentally slip with the knife because that will be really Halloween-y. And just make sure that you keep your hands nice and moisturised afterwards.
I love that. Perfect advice. Maybe
don't slip with knives. That's
yeah,
really good advice.
You know, stay away from knives. You know, get someone to help you out. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and make sure to give it a like and all that kind of jazz. And I'll see you next time. See ya!